Hey, what's up everybody? This is JT back with another product review. This one we're breaking open the RSO oil, showing you guys how to make your own little capsules, and it just helps with the taste. It is a little bit bitter, kind of gets stuck in your teeth and your tongue, After a while you do get used to it and it does hit you quickly, but if you really want it to last long, you'll do it just like this. And we'll start opening the capsule. And with these ones, you just turn it counterclockwise a couple times. And one click is going to be your dose. I couldn't seem to figure out the way to turn it on this video, but eventually we figured it out. And you can just get any little rice capsule. I just emptied out some vitamins, and I did about 3 clicks. And there is a delayed little effect with the product coming out in the clicks because it is thick. So my 3 clicks is 3 servings, and with that it's about 10 milligrams a pop, I would say, roughly 1-to-1 too. And you're just gonna slide that in there, get it all along the edges, and it is kind of like messy and it kind of does dribble out, so just cut it off the edges and seal it back up. And it is a slippery slope with this stuff. If you put just a little bit too much, like a little teardrop too much, it will definitely change the way you fill the product. So I let this go a long way. Like a little bit goes a long way. I stretch it. Play with it with how you feel. If you really got some serious injuries, or if you have cancer or a tumor, your dose is going to be a lot higher. But for the regular civilians and savages out there, it's a great product just to relax. I work graveyard, so at the end of the night, it's definitely just put you out and have a good night. All right, guys, that's one time for the one time. We out.